What's up, guys? Welcome to your 14th, I think, PHP tutorial. And today I'm going to be talking about a special kind of loop in an array called the Foreach loop. Now, if you learn the last array, then you're going to thank me so much after you learn this one, because it's 100 times easier. The reason we would use the last one when we had an array is when we wouldn't exactly want to list every single element, and we wanted to increment it by 2, or we wouldn't want to start with the first one or anything like that. But each time you just want to plain old just spit out elements of array one after another, there's a 10 times easier way to do this. So first of all, let me just create a basic array, and you can do this either two ways. I'm gonna use the first one we learned about, so I'm gonna just say 1, 2, and 3. And now we have 3 elements in our arrays, and I'm using string of text, but you can use number if you want. And the last time we used just a basic for loop, but this time we're going to use a special thing called Foreach. And what this does is it allows us to go through the loop, and it's going to do it automatically without us even telling the parameters or anything, because it knows when we type Foreach that it doesn't need parameters. The only thing we need to type is test as, and most people just use the variable x. This first one has to be whatever array you're wanting to loop through, and this variable x we're going to talk about right now. We're going to say echo, and then this is where we type variable x. So this is what this means. We have an array called test right here, just a basic array, and it says for each element of x, which you're going to assign right here, echo it out on the screen. So every test element in the array, echo on the screen. And of course, just end the semicolon right there to let them know it's ending line. Save it, and as you can see, it echoed it right on the screen. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, it's still the last time where you had to type a bunch of parameters like x is equal to 0, define it, then less than or equal to. If you just want to go through a basic array and spit out all the elements you have in your array, this does it automatically. And you can use the same one if you add an element to the array later on and you want to spit it out later. Just use the exact same syntax and it'll automatically update for you. So as you can see, this is about 100 times easier than what we learned before. I just wanted to get you guys learning the hard stuff, so once you understand that, this all should be a piece of cake. So watch my tutorial next. I don't know what we're going to learn, but it's probably going to be useful. See ya.